Happy Friday. What's going on, guys? Hope all is well. It's sunny out for now. I think it's going to rain. Chances of rain all weekend. We are going to change out two Infinity 2013 or 14 Infinity condensers, heat pump condensers. And 6, I have to get to the job by 7. Hopefully recover both of them by 8 because it was a last minute scheduling, so usually we plan a little better, but we found out yesterday the crane will be here today, so we'll see what time I get finished before the crane can start lifting and loading. But I hope you guys are gonna have a nice weekend, and that's it. Check it out. Alright guys, so this one here, 2014, and this one here, executive office, 2014. To pump them down, I recover them. They're both getting swapped out. We're gonna have the crane, I guess, over there, bringing them over. So I'm gonna go set up the ladder. Crane. It's no good because I just got here. They're supposed to be here at 8. Let me go over to this one while this is recovering and get the electrical pulled out of that one. Still waiting for the installers. Yeah, the crane was supposed to be here at 8. Got here at 7. I got a call last night that it was a last minute show up to be here by 7. At least I had an hour. But they said they don't mind. They have all day anyway, so. And they come from Connecticut, the crane, so they're cool. They just went to get breakfast. So it's 7:54. I'm on time. I mean, they went, like I said, to get something to eat. Set up a ladder here, even though I have access there, so the other guys could get up. Because walking through this building is like security doors and buzzers and all that stuff. Another tank, just to let that one cool down, just to get it down faster. So this one's done. Installers are here, over there. They're gonna unsweat this out, and then that's the rest. I guess I'll hang out with them today. I'm not sure what my schedule looks like, but look at this. Holy shoot, man. Wow. That's probably why the compressor went. Dude, you serious? Oh my God. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, it's all recovered. I don't know. It's not my machine. It's cut out. And they're going to cut this one out. I'm just going to bring my stuff down. And we'll get the crane going. £16 on this one. 16. Bag. Here are the new units. Hey guys, that's a wrap for me. The installers and the crane operators are there now to do what they do. I have to go to another job, so we'll see what that is all about. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great weekend. Take care.